Woohoo! Hi everyone. Do you just stop the truck? I was helping you stop the truck at China. So I just learned with Tai Chi. Let's see. All aboard for a big adventure. Runaway truck. One day in China. Yeah. Hold on, Yang. I'm here to save you. Help me, young Bao. Thomas, can you help me stop Yang? Okay, I'll be here. I'll come to save you, Yang. Yeah. Thomas, you did it. You saved Yang. I did. Yay! Anyway, let me go. I'll go. Don't say Yang. Don't worry, Yang. I'm here to stop you. What? Ow! Thomas, what have you done? I sang Yang. That's not the way I have to save Yang. Wait, what do you mean, young Bao? I meant to save a different way. I was just gonna switch track to... I'm sorry. Now I'll get the crane. Well, Yang is fine. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry, Yang. Yeah, it's not your fault. It was my fault, Thomas. I should have been the runaway. Oh, thank you, Yang. So, Thomas, I'll show you how to stop a runaway truck. A different way called Tai Chi. Nope. What is Tai Chi? I'll show you tomorrow morning. Okay? Young Bao, take me the morning test about Tai Chi. Everyone do the morning exercise in Tai Chi. And they look at that moving slowly. Wow. I wish I could do that too. Young Bao. Yep. Tai Chi is be good. Help. That way you won't block the truck. Okay. I can help you. Help you. Are you ready for your points? Okay. Here we go. Are you ready? Yes. I'm ready. Go. Don't block it. Move it forward. Right. I'm in. Sorry. Sorry. Here you go again. So I did move forward and I didn't block it. Well done, Thomas. Can you bring Yang back to me? Sure, young Bao. Then there was trouble. The point accidentally. The Yang didn't. Oh, Thomas, go save Yang. On me, over there. Yang, Thomas, help. I'll go a different track. Then, how do you get another track? I don't know. So I swap track and I remember what I'm back. Don't block it. Move it forward. I did. You saved me, Thomas. Great job, Thomas. You know, beating up Tai Chi. Thank you, young Bao. I could have done it without you. No problem, Thomas. Let's go take Yang back. Have you ever tried to stop a truck? Sometimes we always get in trouble with trucks. One, I was taking my first truck, and the truck with me, and I crashed. Don't worry, I did learn how to truck. When I'm in China, young Bao told me I thought the truck was wrong. He told me Tai Chi. That way, stop Yang from a runaway. Don't feel disappointed, you try something new. That way, be here. Come on, Thomas. It's time to go. See you next time.